Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. So in the last video I talked about the VLANs, what is VLANs and what are the benefits of the VLANs and why we use VLANs in the network. But in the today's video I'll talk about the complete lab version of the VLANs. So I'll cover how we can create a VLAN on a switch and how we assigned switch port onto the VLANs. So we'll see how we can configure complete VLAN lab on the switch. So let's see what we need to do. Okay, so first of all I'll select a switch. I'll get the switch first, and this is the switch 2960. Okay, I'll just create a simple small lab and we will make. Okay, so I'm taking a PC to PC. Okay, and we'll connect with them through a straight cable. Just click on this and select the pass Ethernet port with switch port 1. Again pass Ethernet and connect with the switch 2. Okay, so we have two PCs and connected with two LAN ports. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to create a VLAN. We will create two VLANs for PC0 and PC1 and we'll assign that port on the different VLANs. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to assign an IP to this PCs, because as of now there is no IP on this PCs. So PC0, just click on this, go to the desktop option tab and click on IP. We'll provide the IP 192.168.1.2. okay, default subnet mask, and it's done. We have assigned this IP. Okay, now PC1, we will assign the IP with the same subnet 192.168.1.3. okay, so we have two IPs. Here is 1.2 and here is 1.3. okay, and now come to the switch. As of now, if we try to ping PC0 to PC1, let's see. So here is 192.168.1.2 machine. Okay, and we will try to ping this. .3. So we can see, we can get the reply from this PC. So these PCs are reachable from each other. Okay, I'm just trying to ping from this PC here is another PC, and we'll try to ping to this PC. Okay, so both the PCs are reachable with each other. Now I'll come to the switch option. This is the switch. Okay, so as of now we are reachable with each other. So first of all we will put the command show VLAN. So here we can see only one default VLAN. Default VLAN is VLAN 1. This is the default VLAN. In every switch you can see default VLAN 1. Okay, so in this default VLAN we have all the switch ports are assigned. Okay, and one more command I would like to show you. Okay, so this is basically this is the interface command, where you can see all the interface related information over here. Okay, so we are going to configure two VLANs. So just go to config T. We will create a VLAN 2, VLAN 2. Okay, and we are just giving a simple name for VLAN 2. Name you can put any name for that VLANs. Okay, come to the exit. Again we are going to create a new VLAN, VLAN 3. Name. Okay, so we have created two VLANs. Now we can put the command show VLAN. Here you can see we have created two VLANs here. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to assign these. As of now you can see there is no switchboard assigned into these both VLANs. So what we are going to do, we are going to assign this interface to VLAN 2 and this interface to VLAN 3. Okay, so first net 0 by 1 we are going to assign to VLAN 2. Okay, just make it copy, go to the configuration mode, interface, and the command is switchboard access VLAN and VLAN number, VLAN 2. Okay, and we will have to assign a mode of that VLAN interface. Okay, so switch port mode access. These two commands are most important when we are assigning a switch port into a VLAN. Okay, now here you can again put the command show VLAN. Here we go. You can see here we have assigned this VLAN FS0 by 1 to VLAN 2. And now what we are going to this VLAN, this port FS0 by 3 to VLAN number 3. Again the same command, go to the configuration mode, config TN interface 0 by FA0 by 3, sorry 0 by 2. Okay, switch port access VLAN 3. Okay, switch port mode access. Okay, so your two ports has been assigned to VLAN 2 and 3. Okay, so your two interfaces are up and they have assigned to a VLAN. And now all the VLANs has been assigned, and what we are going to do again, now we will try to ping with each other. Okay, see, now they cannot ping with each other because now the switch port has been assigned to a different VLANs. This switch port has been assigned to VLAN 1. Here you can see, just click on. Okay, FA0 by 1 VLAN 2 and FA0 by 2 VLAN 3. So here you can see both the switch ports are in different VLAN, and if there are two PC which are connected with the different VLANs which are assigned in a different VLAN, so they will not ping with each other. This is the benefit of VLANs, because VLANs is provide security measurements of machines in a network. Okay, so here you can see you cannot